by Bobby Oroza called Lonely Girl. This is a request by a viewer. Um, I like this artist, and he kind of does like old school R&B. Lonely girl. So it's F sharp minor 7 to E major 7. That's the verse. Lonely girl. And then when the chorus begins, it goes so it changes basically to all minor chords. Starts on C sharp minor 7, the 4th fret. Goes at the 4th fret again at the 4th fret, but now we're playing on the 6th string root. This is G sharp minor 7, and then it goes to F sharp minor 7, back to G sharp, and then it starts over on C sharp minor 7. And they start playing some little riffs. Those are in C minor. Play. Play those in at the 9th fret. Your root is up here. Okay, thanks for that request. Have fun playing that. Bye.